In this video, I'm going to show how to replace the crankshaft position sensor on this Dodge Ram 1500 with a 5.7 liter Hemi engine. This will be located at the bottom of the engine. You'll access it from underneath. On the passenger side, let's get started. Looking up from the passenger side, you'll see our crankshaft position sensor bolted to the engine right there. Let's first unplug it, press on that tab, and pull the connector out. Then use a 10mm socket and unbolt the mounting bolt. With that off, I'm going to use some pliers. Gently grab the sensor by the base, try to twist it and wiggle it out of place. Most likely the O-ring that's on there will make it stuck and we'll have to overcome that. You could also use a flathead screwdriver if you can fit one in there, or even a trim tool to help pry it out. Just be very gentle, you don't want to break the sensor in the block. I'm going to add a little bit of rust penetrant to help the O-ring slide out. It's somewhat broken free, but it's still quite stuck in there. All right. There it is. Very carefully clean the area and the mounting hole. To help installation and prevent corrosion, I put a little bit of engine oil on the O-ring. Take the new sensor and slide it in. And make sure that you push it in all the way by hand. You want to completely bottom it out. Once you've pushed it in as far as you can do it by hand, make sure that it is seated and then put the bolt in. Tighten up the bolt. If you're able to torque this bolt to 13 foot-pounds. And plug it in. It's a little bit difficult to plug in, but it clicked, it's locked in. That's perfect, job is done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.